Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Wire Solution, your spiritual counselor. If you're new, you're definitely welcome to the family. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button now. Turn on the bell notification for you to be part of the family. For you to always get notification from YouTube anytime I upload a new video like this. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching my videos. You guys are the place. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the health benefits of palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil has so many health benefits, and it also has some spiritual benefits. Okay, so one of the spiritual benefits of this palm kernel oil I'll be sharing with you guys as a parent. um, if your kids are experiencing evil eye or some kind of witchcraft attack, or you are seeing some kind of, you are experiencing some witchcraft attack in your home, all you have to do, go and get this particular palm kernel oil. If those witches, they are coming to come and attack your kids, your babies, okay, get this particular palm kernel oil, which I'll be displaying right on the screen, and use it to rub your kids. I'll show you. This palm kernel oil contains, it has some high frequency energy vibration. It scares away those evil eyes, those witchcraft attack, and some kind of negative energy. Okay, so once you use it to rub your kids, those witchcraft attack, they will cease. Those evil eyes, they will run away. Okay, this is one of the powerful spiritual use of this palm kernel oil. But in this video, we'll be focusing more on the health benefit, which I will be sharing with you guys. So sit comfortably, watch this video to the end, so that you will learn some of the health benefits of this particular palm kernel oil. One of the health benefits of this particular palm kernel oil I'll be sharing with you guys is for food poisoning. Okay, if like maybe you went to a birthday party or any kind of party at home, whether they poison the food spiritually or physically, okay, immediately you just notice, as far as you just notice, immediately go and get this palm kernel oil. Okay, get this palm kernel oil and take 1 teaspoon instantly. Okay, it will neutralize that food poisoning, whether it is spiritual of in a spiritual form or physical form. It will neutralize it immediately. Okay, then the next day you take it for like a week. Okay, this is very, very powerful and potent. So another health benefit of this palm kernel oil I'll be sharing with you guys is for aging. Okay, if you are someone out there, if you're a man or a woman, you're scared of aging, you don't want to grow old quick, or you're having gray hair, okay, this is the solution. With this with the wonders of this palm kernel oil, you won't be scared anymore. Or maybe you are in your early 30s and you're having this gray hair, this white hair. Okay, all you have to do, get this palm kernel oil, use it to rub your hair. Okay, that your gray hair will turn to black again. Okay, even if you are in your early 70s, apply this same palm kernel oil, it does wonders. Okay, and with this palm kernel oil, if you don't want to grow old quick, you're scared of growing old very, very quick, you want to become agile, you want to be agile again, even if you are in your 70s, you want to be able to play football, all you have to do, take 1 teaspoon of palm kernel oil daily. Okay, it will activate your system. Okay, you become more active, more strong. Okay, this is very, very powerful, and you will not grow old quick. This is a powerful secret. So another health benefit of this palm kernel oil is for malaria. If you are someone out there, you just notice the symptom of malaria, okay, immediately you just notice that this one is malaria coming on, get your palm kernel oil, take 1 teaspoon daily. Okay, take 1 teaspoon daily. This will neutralize that malaria that is coming your way. Okay, immediately. So because they said earlier the better. That is one of the super health benefit of palm kernel oil. So another powerful health benefit of palm kernel oil that I will be sharing with you guys is for high blood pressure. If you are someone with BP, or you know someone that has this BP, so all you have to do, get the person palm kernel oil, or you get yourself palm kernel oil. This is very, very potent. Okay, get palm kernel oil and take 1 teaspoon of palm kernel oil daily. Okay, this will bring down your BP, your high blood pressure. If you can do this for 2 weeks, go and see your doctor. You will see that your high blood pressure is already down. Okay, it will come down. This is very, very powerful and potent. Try this and see the wonders. So another powerful health benefit of this particular palm kernel oil, the wonders of palm kernel oil that I want to share with you guys, is for body odor. Okay, there are people out there, they have this body odor. Okay, And also sometimes these particular problems comes from the parents. Okay, if when those babies, when they are still small, those parents, some parents, they don't beat their baby very very well. So once the baby just grow up, he or she will be having this bad odor. Even if they take their bath twice a day or 3 times a day, 4 times a day, they will still be having this particular odor. But here is the solution that I want to share with you guys, because there are some people out there, they are like, let me say, they are ashamed of themselves. Okay, if they just go out there, even if they take their bath 10 times in a day, immediately they still go out, even if they use roll-on and all that, they will still be having this body odor. But with this palm kernel oil, this is the solution. Okay, all you have to do, take 1 teaspoon of this palm kernel oil and 1 teaspoon of sulfur. Okay, mix it together very very well. Mix it very very well. Then you apply this particular mixture on your armpit. Okay, apply it on your armpit for 20 good minutes. Okay, once it is 20 minutes or so, then you can rinse it off. Okay, do this particular recipe twice in a day. Do it in the morning and do it in the evening. Like in the morning you apply it, make sure you mix it very very well. Okay, in the morning you apply it on your armpit for 20 minutes. Okay, then you rinse it off. In the evening 20 minutes and rinse it off. Do this for good 7 days. Okay, do this for good 7 days, and I assure you that body odor will be gone and gone forever. Okay, do it for 7 days. Okay, you can still do it continuously, but within 7 days you will get your result. This is very very powerful and potent. Okay, so another powerful health benefit of this palm kernel oil, which is the last but not the least, because there are so many health benefits, but I will be stopping here for today. Another health benefit of this palm kernel oil is for eczema. Okay, you can use this palm kernel oil to cure eczema. There are people, there are eczemas on their face, on their body, because of eczema. There are some people out there, because of eczemas, this particular eczema on their body, they can't pull up their shirt in the public. Okay, they can't even go for swimming or go for like relaxation, like whereby you pull your shirt maybe on the beach, or stuff like that. Because of this eczema, their body is not smooth. But this is the solution today. Okay, all you have to do, get 1 teaspoon of palm kernel oil, okay, and 1 teaspoon of sulfur. Okay, mix it together thoroughly, very very well. Okay, as you mix it together, apply it on that affected area, whether it's on your face, on your body, on your neck, on your hand, anywhere. Apply it on that affected area. Okay, apply it for like 20 minutes. Okay, also 20 minutes, and you'll be doing this twice daily. Like in the morning, apply it for 20 minutes, then rinse it off. In the evening, apply it for 20 minutes, then you rinse it off. Okay, do this for 3 to 4 days. Okay, let's say a week, but 3 to 4 days you'll be getting your result. Okay, by the special grace of God, that eczema will go and go forever. Okay, this is very very powerful. Palm kernel oil is very very powerful. Thank you guys for watching this particular video. I know you guys have learned a lot from this particular video. Please help me to share this video so that a lot of people out there, they also need this particular knowledge. Okay, so a lot of people out there will benefit from this video. Thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Recommend your friends, your family. Share this video with family and friends. Recommend them to Wire Solution. Here is a solution ground. Okay, there's no problem without solution. Okay, so any problem you're fixing, anything you're facing, just you can contact me on my Facebook, which is Wire Solution. Contact me and I'm there to reply your message. Anything you're fixing or any video you want me to do, I will do it for you. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Stay blessed. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Turn on the bell notification and be part of the family. I love you guys. Stay blessed.